In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do payroll in Xero UK step by step. If you're new to Xero Payroll or just want to make sure you're running your pay runs correctly and staying compliant with HMRC, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a pay run, review employee pay details, and post your payroll properly inside Xero. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Payroll. From the drop-down options, select Pay Employees. This will take you to the Payroll section where you can see your upcoming and previous pay runs. Now, to begin a new payroll, click the green New Pay Run button. Xero will prompt you to select the pay period. Choose the monthly calendar that you previously created for your employees. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct pay schedule, especially if you run multiple payroll frequencies such as weekly or monthly. After selecting the correct pay period, click Process. Xero will now generate a draft pay run for all employees assigned to that schedule. At this stage, nothing has been finalized yet, so you still have the opportunity to review and make adjustments. Next, review the draft carefully. Click on an employee's name, for example, John Doe, to open the detailed breakdown of their pay. Here, you'll see the gross pay, PAYE tax deductions, and national insurance contributions calculated automatically by Xero. You may also see pension contributions, student loan deductions, or any other relevant payroll items depending on the employee's setup. Take your time to check that the hours, salary, bonuses, commissions, or statutory payments such as sick pay or maternity pay are correct. If you need to make any changes, you can edit the relevant fields directly within the employee's pay details. Once you've made any necessary adjustments, click Save to confirm those changes. After saving, return to the Pay Run summary screen. Repeat the same review process for each employee listed in the draft pay run. Accuracy is extremely important in payroll, so double-check figures before moving forward. Once you're confident that everything is correct, the next step is to finalize the payroll. Click the Post Pay Run button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to post the pay run. This step officially finalizes the payroll and updates your accounts. Click Post to confirm. Xero will now complete the pay run and lock in the payroll data. At this point, the payroll figures will be reflected in your reports, and you'll be able to generate payslips for your employees. You can download or email payslips directly from Xero, depending on your payroll settings. After posting, make sure you review your payroll reports and ensure that your RTI submission to HMRC has been successfully sent if you have automatic submissions enabled. Staying on top of RTI submissions is essential for UK payroll compliance. And that's it. That's how you do payroll in Xero UK step by step. Log in, go to Payroll, create a new pay run, select the correct pay period, review each employee carefully, and then post the pay run to finalize everything. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero UK tutorials, payroll guides, and small business accounting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.